Knewgoat is more than a philosophy. It actually evolved into a book for me. Here's a few excerpts from my latest book, Knewgoat. Growing up, I knew I was destined to stand before condescending know-it-alls with gavels one day. Standing before judges and being condemned to dark cells of hopelessness was a rite of passage for many in Shreveport, especially for the undeserved and uncared for youth. For a substantial part of my younger years, it felt inevitable that my place of lodging would ultimately switch from public housing to prison. Even my dad was in a prison of his own making, and many of my family members had fallen victim to the entrapment of the prison industrial complex. Just as LeBron was correctly deemed a can't-miss NBA prospect, I was forecasted to be the same for Shreveport's prison draft. Judges in our city were hell-bent on doling out maximum sentences to brothers from Shreveport. It didn't matter if the individuals in court were first-time offenders or non-violent and misdemeanor inclined. The max sentence was a train that seemed to never derail for citizens in Shreveport. In an ill twist of fate that not even my mom, who loved me dearly, could foresee, I never stood in front of a judge to be sentenced. Instead, I became a glimmer of hope for the distressed in Shreveport by becoming an attorney. Is there a haven of any sort for a broken black man when he feels unloved and realizes that his life doesn't matter in the purported land of the free? Is there a person or institution that a black man in America can turn to when his prayers and silent cries for help go unanswered? Is there a shoulder that a black man can lean on, shed tears on, without being deemed weak? Is there an ear that will listen and hear the pain that emerges from the blue blood in our veins, that turns red when the bullets from cops ravish our skin and shatters our hopes and dreams while confirming that our lives don't matter? Is there any place on earth that protects and cares about black men? Is there a present-day axiom, a kingdom for us and our greatness to exist in peace? That I do not know.